Good morning. I just arrived in this beautiful city.
Welcome. I hope you had a very pleasant journey.
Thank you, but I feel a little bit lost.
Do not worry. Everyone feels that way at first.
I need to find the best way to travel.
Are you planning to stay here for a long?
I will be exploring the city for 1 week.
Then a single ticket is definitely not for you.
I heard about a special smart card for tourists.
You are probably thinking of our City Pass card.
Does it work for both buses and the subway?
It covers every type of public transport in town.
That sounds like exactly what I am looking for.
It also gives you discounts for some local museums.
I love visiting museums and historical city art galleries.
Then this card will save you a lot of.
How much does the card itself cost to buy?
The plastic card has a small fee of $5.
Is that fee refundable when I leave the city?
Yes, you can return it at any ticket office.
That is a very sustainable and clever system indeed.
We try to reduce plastic waste as much as.
I want to load enough money for 7 days.
We have a special unlimited weekly pass for visitors.
Does the weekly pass start from this very moment?
It activates the first time you touch a sensor.
So I can buy it today and use tomorrow.
Precisely. The clock starts at your first gate entry.
That gives me a lot of flexibility for plans.
Let me show you the different pricing tiers available.
What is the difference between these two blue cards?
The darker one includes the Airport Express train rides.
I already have a shuttle to my small hotel.
In that case, the standard light blue card suffices.
Does it include the ferry crossing across the river?
Yes, the ferry is part of our integrated network.
I am excited to see the city from the ferry.
The view from the water is truly spectacular, Elena.
Can I use this card for 2 people together?
No, every passenger must have their own individual card.
I see, so my friend will need one too.
Is your friend waiting outside near the main entrance?
She is watching our heavy luggage near the taxi.
I can sell you 2 cards at the same time.
That would save us a lot of precious time.
Do you want to add any extra balance today?
Why would I need extra balance with a pass?
Sometimes people use it for the small city bike.
Oh, I didn't know the bikes were connected too.
It is a very convenient way to see parks.
I will add $10 of extra credit then.
Great. That covers about 5 hours of bike rental.
I feel like a local resident already with this pass.
That is the spirit of a true world traveler.
Is there a mobile app to check the balance?
Yes, just scan the QR code on the back.
My phone battery is currently very low at 5.
You can also check it at any yellow machine.
The yellow machines are located at every bus stop?
They are found at every major station and stop.
I am ready to pay for both travel cards.
The total for 2 weekly passes is $60.
That includes the $5 card fee for each?
Yes, everything is included in that final total price.
Do you accept international credit cards at this window?
We accept all major cards and mobile phone payments.
I will use my physical card just to be...
Please insert your card into the black terminal here.
The screen is asking for my personal secret code.
Take your time. I will look away for privacy.
Thank you. The transaction seems to be processing fine.
It is just waiting for the bank's final approval.
Sometimes international payments take a few extra long seconds.
There we go. The payment was successful and completed.
Should I wait for a printed paper receipt today?
I always recommend keeping the receipt for your records.
Why is the receipt important for a digital card?
It helps if the card gets lost or damaged.
I will put it in my safest backpack pocket.
I am now encoding the data onto your cards.
I can see the green light flashing on machine.
That means the weekly pass is being loaded correctly.
Technology makes traveling so much simpler than before, Victor.
I remember when we only used small paper tickets.
Paper tickets were so easy to lose in pockets.
And they were very bad for our local environment.
I prefer this sturdy plastic card much more, honestly.
It fits perfectly in your wallet or phone case.
I'm excited to tap it at the gate.
Here are your 2 brand new city travel cards.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
How do I actually use this at the station?
Just tap it flat against the bright yellow circle.
Do I need to tap it when I leave?
Yes, tapping out is mandatory for all subway trips.
What happens if I forget to tap when exiting?
The system might charge you the maximum daily fare.
I will make sure to remember that every time.
On the bus, you only need to tap once.
Tap when entering the front door of the bus?
Exactly. The back doors are only for exiting passengers.
Is there a map of the subway lines here?
I have a pocket-sized map for you right here.
This map is very colorful and easy to understand.
The red line goes directly to the city center.
And which line takes me to the famous museum?
You should take the blue line heading east, Elena.
How often do the trains run during the day?
They arrive every 5 minutes during the busy hours.
That is a very frequent and impressive transit service.
We are very proud of our city's transport efficiency.
Are the stations safe to use late at night?
They are well lit and monitored by many security cameras.
That makes me feel much more comfortable as a tourist.
We want you to enjoy your stay without worries.
Can I bring my coffee onto the subway train?
As long as the cup has a secure lid.
I will be very careful not to spill anything.
Enjoying the ride is part of the city experience.
I am ready to start my first big adventure.
The entrance to the red line is just behind. One more thing before you head out to explore.
Is there something else I should know about cards?
If the card stops working, come back to me.
Does that happen often with these new smart cards?
Only if it gets too close to strong magnets.
I will keep it away from my magnetic clasp.
That is a very wise and helpful precaution, Elena.
What if I stay longer than 7 full days?
You can add more days at any ticket machine.
Can I do that at the middle of week?
Yes, the new pass will wait in the queue.
This system is very intelligent and well-designed indeed.
We spent years perfecting the user experience for everyone.
I wish my home city had such a system.
Many cities are moving toward this contactless future today.
It makes the whole world feel a bit smaller.
And it makes navigation accessible for all foreign visitors.
I don't even need to speak the local language.
The icons on the machines are very universal, right?
Yes, the pictures of buses and trains are clear.
Do you have enough small change for the bus?
I thought I only needed this new plastic card.
Most buses no longer accept any cash or coins.
I am glad I bought the card from you.
Without it, you would be stuck at the curb.
That would be a very sad start to vacation.
But instead, you are ready for a great time.
I feel like an expert on city transport now.
You learned very fast. You are a natural traveler.
I'm going to find my friend and celebrate. Here is my friend coming through the glass doors.
She looks just as excited as you are, Elena.
Look, I have our tickets for the whole week.
Show her how to use the yellow sensor nearby.
I will be her personal guide for the day.
Don't forget to check the map for the museum.
We are going to the Central Plaza first today.
That is a perfect place for a delicious lunch.
Are there many stairs in the subway station below?
There are elevators for people with heavy luggage like yours.
That is great news for our big, heavy suitcases.
Just follow the blue signs with the elevator icon.
You have been the most helpful person today, Victor.
Helping people is the best part of my daily.
I will leave a very positive review for Valley Station.
That would be very much appreciated by our team.
I hope you have a very wonderful day, Victor.
And I hope you have an unforgettable city adventure.
My friend is waving. She's ready to go.
Goodbye, and remember to tap out at the gate.
I have the card in my hand right now.
You are officially a part of our city's rhythm.
I love the sound of the trains coming in.
It is the heartbeat of this busy urban place.
I am walking toward the Red Line entrance now.
The first train will arrive in just 2 minutes.
I can see the digital clock counting down time.
Safe travels and enjoy every single beautiful city site.
Thank you again for all your kind help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy the ride on our famous metro.